In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a MailerLite form in WordPress in 2025, step by step. We'll begin inside MailerLite. First, log into your MailerLite account so you can create the form you want to place on your WordPress site. Once you're in, go to Forms, then Embedded Forms, and click Create Form. Give your form a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple forms. After that, choose the subscriber group where new signups should be added, then click Save and Continue. Next, customize the form so it matches your goal and fits your site. Add a heading and a short description to let visitors know what they're signing up for. You can also add or remove fields such as name and email depending on how much information you want to collect. Then adjust the button text and design settings to make the form look the way you want. When everything looks good, click Next. Now switch over to WordPress and log into your admin dashboard. To connect WordPress with MailerLite, you'll need the official plugin. Go to Plugins, then Add New, search for MailerLite, and look for the plugin called Official MailerLite Signup Forms. Click Install Now, and then Activate. Once the plugin is active, you need to connect it to your MailerLite account. Go back to MailerLite and open Integrations, then MailerLite API. From there, generate a new token, give it a simple name, and copy it. Then return to WordPress, go to MailerLite, and then Settings, paste the token into the API key field and click Save this key. This connection allows WordPress to pull in the forms you created in MailerLite. After that, go to MailerLite in WordPress, then Signup Forms, and click Add New. Choose Forms created in MailerLite, then click Create Form. Select the form you made earlier and click Save Form. This makes the form available for use on your site. To place it on a page or post, open the page or post where you want the sign-up form to appear. In the editor, click the MailerLite icon, choose your form, and click Add Shortcode. WordPress will insert the form for you in the correct spot. Now simply click Publish or Update, depending on whether the page is new or already live. Then visit the page on the front end of your site to make sure the form displays properly. Finally, test the form. Enter a test name and email address, submit it, then go back to MailerLite and check your subscribers area. Confirm that the subscriber was added to the correct group. If it appears there, your MailerLite form is successfully embedded in WordPress and working correctly.